Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel friends. Today video title is guys Oppo phone setting guys, and in this video guys I will show you guys your Oppo phone display and brightness setting friends. Friends, in this video guys we will talk about guys how to enable auto brightness mode. So friends, you want to enable your phone auto brightness, so guys how can you on? In this video I am going to show you friends. So friends, you want to enable it, so guys how to enable? In this video I will show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to enable your auto brightness mode, phone auto brightness mode. So you can see guys your Oppo phone setting, this type of setting guys. Click on guys your display and brightness setting friends, and guys you can see guys your automatic brightness mode. So friends, you want to enable, so guys how can enable guys? You can see right side this icon guys, tap here, and friends you can see after guys your brightness decrease automatic, because guys we are in the room, and guys, when we will go outside, so guys brightness will increase automatic, decrease automatic. So you can use your automatic brightness setting from here guys. So I hope friends you have understood, and guys you want to customize, guys you want to adjust your brightness, so you can increase and decrease brightness from here guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to enable auto brightness mode in our Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.